Hey, welcome to John's Guitar Lab. A little more bar chord stuff. Alright? Again, when we're doing bar chord things, I know I've been using pieces of songs. Alright? Purposely, I'm not playing the entire tune, just giving you parts of it, because as you put those pieces together, you should be able to, and will be able to, pick the tunes that you want to play and say, hey, this is how they get in that sound, so okay, so I'm playing this is how I do it. Oh yeah, I remember because I saw somebody, whether it's John or someone else, I saw somebody else do that, so I know. This way, you play what you want. Okay? Today, a tune that goes way back, I forget the name of the group, it's called Smoke on the Water. All this is we're just taking part of the tune as an exercise to move the bar chord. That's what this is about. It's a little bit, how do you say, less boring when you can do an exercise and it is part of a tune. All right? And that's what I'm doing. All right? So let's move right along. All right? The chords we're going to be using are going to be in G. Next chord's going to be B flat, C, and we're also going to be using D flat. All right? Now, if you want to, or you should anyway, you could go listen to the tune, you could pull it up. The name of it's Smoke on the Water. It starts with the okay? Again, you use it as an exercise. All right? I'm not here to say, hey man, look, I can play this tune. No, we need you to play it. All right? Now, at this point, first chord is G. Second chord, B flat. Okay, 6th fret. Recognize this. We're 3rd fret, 6th fret, 8th fret. When we get to the D flat, 9th fret. Now, this is if you're using the one form. This form. I prefer if I were to play the song, because I hadn't played it in years, but I remember I did it this way. So what you see is I have a little more compact there, using two forms. This form, then bar. Got a good shot at that, right? C, D flat, B flat. All right. Now the voicing is different here. Listen to this. You hear that it picks up the high note. All right, and the other one, it's with this one. All right, so that's what the difference is, the high notes. A lot of the groups back in the 60s, whatever, they had two guitar players. A lot of them had two guitar, bass, and drums. That was a lot of the setups that you used to see. So it would be advantageous for one guitar player to play in one spot and another guitar player to play in the other spot. Makes the sound about that big. All right? This should also hopefully answer a question, why are we doing all these chord forms? Now you know, because now you can make your choices. If you want to get crazy, you could also, that's a little nuts. I wouldn't really do it that way, but point is that major chord, as long as you do whatever chord it is, you can just hold that one position and move it up and down. All right? Or you can mix it. You can mix it all up with the, you know, like. So that's the thing. You just have to use these chords. Right now, basically, we're going to be doing this and this both ways. All right? Do it in time. All right? Even if you're not using the tune itself with, you know, with the same rhythm. All right? Make sure you're doing it with the metronome. And again, I know I repeat myself. We don't want to hear that. You know, we don't want to hear that slam on the open strings, please. All right? Questions, comments below. If you like what you hear, give me the thumbs up and please subscribe so we get more stuff like this out there. All right? Enjoy your day.